Hi, I'm Gareth,
And Janet.
and we're the Port Monkeys. And you may have noticed that we promised to do a live video every day on our cruise down to Australia and New Zealand, and then suddenly after Hawaii it ended. And that's because the day after we left Hawaii, we got word that our son Daniel had passed away. And we didn't feel like doing live broadcasts anymore, sorry. We actually had to cancel the other 3 cruises and get off the one we were on, but we were at sea for another 5 days on our way to Tahiti, so we had to wait until we were in Tahiti, and then we even had to wait another day to get airfare to fly home. And I want to thank the people at Air France for working with us with our luggage. They actually let our overweight and too many bags go for free. I will say that the people on Majestic Princess were great. The crew was great. They were very helpful. They sent us flowers, cards. I especially want to call out Elizabeth and Fausto from Guest Services. They went above and beyond.
They were so helpful.
And actually, we got word just yesterday, it's been 2 months now, that Princess is going to refund some of our money too, as future cruise credit. So, while we were on the cruise, we were having a blast and we met some great people. Karina and Tommy from Germany, and Mal and Sal from Tasmania.
Alfie from Melbourne, and also the Hula sisters, Lio and Angie, who gave us our ukulele lessons, which was a lot of fun. And we met a lot of nice people there playing ukulele.
This is a ukulele that Daniel and I built. He bought me the kit. It even has a Port Monkeys logo inside. And I love it, and I love him. And I'm going to miss him a long time.
Forever.
And then some. We're posting this on December 3rd. It would have been Daniel's 40th birthday. He leaves behind a wife and a 1-year-old little boy.
You might have seen him in one of our videos that we did in June when we went on a cruise with he and Hesty and Liam.
He was quite the woodworker and had started a YouTube channel about it, Aperture Woodshop. Check it out. But his wife wants to keep it going, so we're going to help out with that.
But happy birthday, Daniel. We love you. So we just wanted to let you guys know that we didn't just jump off YouTube, and we do have other cruises planned. We are going to Mexico on the Diamond Princess in January for 2 back-to-backs. And then we're still going to South America in
March on the Sapphire Princess. After that, we don't know. We don't have anything booked. We do have a lot of ports we've visited and a lot of video to edit and put on, and I'm trying to catch up with that. So,
but it's been slow, and we're trying to get back into it. So thank you for watching.
And see you in the next port.
Bye.